this time, this theory from Coxo. Now I introduce you how to use our tested C parts. As you can see, this all the instruments for the machines, and this the wire and this the lift hook, right? When we use this machine, we connect the wire like this. Okay, so now we have connect all those wires and the components of this machine and open by this button. Okay, and normally we choose the MID, the middle line to test the tooth. And when we use on the patients, we put this lip hose on the lips, right? On the lips, like this, put on the lips. And then this part to touch the tooth, right? To touch the tooth. Now I show you here. The number will go up when you connect them together, when you put in on the patient's tooth and the lips, right? And when the numbers go from 0 to 40, the patient feels a little hurt. The patient feels a little hurt on his tooth. So it shows that the tooth of the patient is good, right? If the numbers go higher from 40 to 80, it shows that part of the patient's root canals is not good. So the tooth need to do the endodontic treatment immediately. And if the numbers is higher than 80, the patient says it's hurt. So it shows that the patient's tooth is completely bad in the root canal. So the patient need to do the endodontic treatment immediately too. That's how to use those machines. Thanks.